If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today we're playing our 5th weekly piano routine together, a way for you to include a peaceful daily piano exercise in your routine every week. The music for this week's routine is particularly for beginner to late beginner piano players, but of course everyone is welcome to join in. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download a copy of the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. This week we're familiarizing ourselves with the key of D major. You might recall that in our G major routine we had one sharp. D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Whenever we see an F or C note, we'll instead play their neighbours to the right, F sharp or C sharp. The exercise we're learning is based on 5 chords from this key. In every version we'll play the chords in this order, but the note patterns we play will look different each time. You might recognise this chord progression from the very famous Pachelbel's Canon in D. So we have chord 1, D major, chord 3, F sharp minor, chord 4, G major, chord 5, A major, and chord 6, B minor. We have 4 crotchet or quarter note beats in a bar, and our rhythms will also include quavers or eighth notes, minims or half notes, and semibreves or whole notes. Okay, let's enjoy the music now and make this piano routine our own. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. there we are. Next, you might like to review or learn our A minor routine or play our current classical song, Salut d'amour by Elgar. I'll see you next week for another weekly routine. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.